Hey guys, wanted to show you a quick video of how to disassemble an early Mustang seatbelt. This guy has got a 765 date on it, so it's a fairly late 65 part. And this is what the inside looks like. I wanted you to see the pins on the inside and this slider right here, which is apparently important, because I was unable to easily get the cap off of it. So rather than destroy it, it took a little while to get done. First I had to remove the pins, pull these puppies out, and you can see they have a shoulder on them. So you have to take the pins out with your small screwdriver, pry them up little by little until you can get them under the edge, and eventually they'll come out. They're soft aluminum, so they will distort like this one did. So I ended up hosing this guy up, and the other one came out pretty good because I used just a nail to drive it out all the way through. Anyway, as far as getting this thing off, the only way that I could figure it was to use one of these puppies and lift this inside clip so that this clip and this pin clear this piece of plastic and that piece of plastic, because it goes on top of it like that. And I could only figure out to get it apart when I lifted this piece, moved this section all the way to the back, and then picked up on the cover and pushed it back. So just wanted to show you those pieces. This is what the inside looks like. And this are the inside pieces that have to clear that clip. So anyway, that's all I had for you. Wish you good luck with the project.